In this video, I'm going to discuss the techniques on how to integrate uh, on the integrals of powers of tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. So first, let us recall the different standard forms involving tangent, cosecant, secant, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Okay. So these are the 8 standard forms, basic. And I think there are other forms na dili common that you can find sa different books. So we will be using these forms or these integrals in explaining or in solving problems related to our topic. So case 1 is about the integral of tangent u du, tangent u raised to n du, or cotangent u raised to n du, where n is a positive integer. So positive integer lang. So it could be na n is odd or n is even, for as long as it is positive. So the technique here is this. We extract tangent squared u or cotangent squared u. So extract na to ang tangent squared u. The result, the remaining part of the integrand is na decrease lang by 2. Okay. And next step is to replace tangent squared u by its identity, secant squared u minus 1. The purpose is so that secant squared u will now be part of your du or part of the derivative. So if your u is tangent, like tangent x, your du will have secant squared x dx. So that is why tangent squared u is replaced by this. Same also for tangent, cotangent rather. Cotangent u raised to n. Extra cotangent squared u. Okay. I like this one. And then replaced by cosecant squared u minus 1. So, to illustrate, let's evaluate tangent x raised to 5 dx. So, as suggested, you extract tangent squared x like this. So, what is left is cube na lang. Tangent x cube. That's 5 minus 2 cube. So, again, replace this one by its identity. Secant squared x minus 1. And then separate, no? Separate the two terms, you have this. So, secant squared x dx will now be our du. So, therefore, our u must be tangent x. Tangent x, and then du, secant squared x dx. So, you can change the variable here and then power rule. Ana lang, no? For the second term, tangent cube x, tangent x raised to 3 dx, use the same technique sa first step or like this one. Which means na you extract tangent squared x and you will do the same, no? Like for example, the original integrand has a power of, let us say, 9 or 10, no? So, once mag-extract ka og tangent squared x, sa succeeding na steps, if you still have this one, if the power of tangent is not 1 or 2, continue to extract tangent squared until the exponent of tangent x is 2 or 1. So for the first term, let u equal to tangent x du secant squared x. So we have u cubed du. So the second term, extract tangent squared, and what remains is tangent x na lang. So u cubed du, u raised to 4 over 4. For the second term, you replace tangent squared x. Same lang idea sa first na step. Na once mag-tangent squared x ka, you replace it by the identity. Second squared x minus 1. So, this one. And then, you can replace u by tangent x. Okay. And then, separate the two terms. Okay, negative, and then minus 1, negative, positive. So, for this one, change the variable again. U and then du. While for the third term, basic man eh. Okay? Basic na form. Let u du, and then we have this. Okay. Tangent x raised to 4 over 4, u du. And recall the integral of tangent x dx, this one. The integral of tangent is ln of secant. And then replace u by tangent x. Okay. This is our answer. So for this case, the technique is to extract tangent squared x or cotangent squared x. Okay. And then after extracting, you replace it by its identity. And you can see here, pag tangent x na lang, basic form naman. So, ln secant. Pero kung tangent squared x, you can replace it by secant squared x minus 1. And when you separate the two terms, integral of secant squared x is tangent x man. So, basic na. Okay. So, that's the technique there. Continue to extract tangent squared x or cotangent squared x until the integrand will only have a power of 1 or 2. Case 2 is about the integral of secant u raised to n du or cosecant u raised to n du, where n is a positive even integer. Even, ha? So, dapat even siya. So, the technique is similar to case 1, wherein you will extract secant squared u or cosecant squared u. Extract. Ang purpose is once you have secant squared u or secant squared x, it will be part of du. So dapat ang u will be tangent, di ba? Para du will be secant squared. So this will be part of du na, ang secant squared. So okay, the remaining part of the integrand, you replace it by tangent. Since even man eh. Originally, n is even man. So you subtract 2, the result will still be even. So, for example, if n is 8, di ba? And then you extract 2. So 8 minus to 6, secant u raised to 6. Secant u raised to 6, you express it in secant squared. And using law of exponent, okay, a single base raised to 2 exponents, you can just multiply. Like x squared and then raised to the power of 3 just equal to x raised to 6. 2 times 3. So in this case, if the power of secant is 6, originally it's 8, ba? Subtracting 2, you have 6. So secant u raised to 6 can be expressed as secant squared and then quantity cubed. Ayan. Para, so extract secant squared. Okay. So secant squared will be replaced by this. And sa example, Di ba cube? Secant squared cube. So, how did we get 3? 6 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6 divided by 2, 3. Okay, you can see, I mean, I can explain this one sa example. Similarly, for cosecant u, same lang. Extra cosecant squared u, and then the remaining part sa integral. Even man, no? Same lang. Using law of exponent. And extract 2, and you'll have another exponent also. So to illustrate, let us evaluate secant x raised to 6 dx. So, okay. So the technique is you extract secant squared x. What is left is secant x raised to 4. So 4 will be 2 times 2. Okay, like this. So you extract secant squared x, and then 2 times 2, 4. Or this one, n minus 2 over 2. So 4 minus 2, I don't know, 6 minus 2, 4 over 2, you have 2. Or simply, extract 2, 4 divided by 2, you have squared. And then you replace secant squared x by this. Tangent squared plus 1. You have the identity. Tangent squared x plus 1 equals secant squared x. So next is you expand this one. Perfect square trinomial, you expand. And this is the expansion. And then next is distribute secant squared x dx. Separate the 3 terms. Okay. First term, second term, third term. And okay na, no? We can change the variable. Like let u equal to tangent x. Our du is secant squared x. Same here. Let u tangent x, secant squared x. This one, the third term, is basic money. Integral of secant squared x, it's tangent x there. Okay. Let u equal to tangent x, du equal to secant squared x dx. Okay, so you have u raised to 4 du, and then 2 u squared du, this one, and integral of secant squared x dx. So next step is this, u raised to 5 over 5 plus 2 times u cubed over 3. Integral sa secant squared x is tangent x plus c. And then next is you replace u by tangent x. Okay, so this is case number 2. So case 1 and case 2, similar technique, you extract tangent squared, cotangent squared, secant squared, or cosecant squared. But for case 2, n must be even. N must be even. Now, case 3 is n is odd. For case 2, n is even. Case 3, n is odd. So, to integrate odd powers of the secant and cosecant, we use integration by parts. Integration by parts because, like for example, secant cube x, if you will use the same technique in case 2, where you will extract secant squared x, what remains is only secant x. Now, pag secant x, we cannot express it in terms of tangent squared. That is why we cannot use the same technique as in case number 2. So for odd exponent, we will use integration by parts. Okay. So, illustration. Evaluate the integral of secant x cubed dx. So, for integration by parts, let's have different options and then check which of the different options is easier. Option 1, let u secant cube x. So, therefore, du is simply dx. So, differentiate derivative of secant cube x. 3, and then secant x, 3 minus 1 squared times derivatives of secant x. You have secant x tangent x dx. While for v, you integrate, v is simply equal to x. Diba? Okay, option 2. Secant squared x lang. The other secant x will be part of dv. Okay. So, derivative of secant x. 2, secant x, 2 minus 1, so 1. And then derivative of secant x tangent x. While integral of secant x is ln of secant x plus tangent x. And option 3, secant x lang. And then the other 2 will be part of dv. So derivative of secant x is simply secant x tangent x, while integral of secant squared is tangent x. So of the 3 options, if you will check option 1, remember, sa integration by parts, our focus is on the second term. By integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. So integral of v du. Now remember, pag integral of v du, you try to check secant squared x. You have x, and then you have secant squared x, secant x tangent x. It means na the power of secant is cubed. So it's more difficult as compared to the original integrand because the power of secant is 3. And then there's an additional of tangent x and x. So this is not a good option. Okay. So the integral becomes more complicated as compared to the original integrand. For option 2, integral of v du, same also. Mas complicated compared sa original. Integral of v du, integral of ln of secant x plus tangent x times this one. Diba? So, for option 3, integral of v du, integral of secant x, tangent squared x dx. So, mas simple siya as compared to option 1 and 2. So therefore, we will use option 3. So it's uv secant x tangent x minus integral of v du. So, okay, it's uv minus integral of v du. So, okay. Tangent squared x. So how are we going to integrate this one? Now, we don't have an integral where our du is tangent squared x dx, diba? So, what we will do is replace this one by its identity, secant squared x minus 1. This one. And then separate the 2 terms. Okay. Now, integral of secant x, okay lang, basic form. This one, integral of secant cube x This is our original integrand, di ba? So, if we check, equal na siya. And dili siya pwede ma-cancel because they have different signs. So, what we will do is to transpose this term sa left, ma-combine siya. This is what will happen. So the next step is to divide the whole equation by 2 so that you will only have integral of secant x cubed. This one. And then integral of secant x is ln ba? So this is the answer. The integral, therefore, the integral of secant x cubed is equal to 1/2 secant x tangent x plus 1/2 ln of secant x plus tangent x plus c. Okay, so this is the solution for the integral of secant x or cosecant x where the exponent is so that's it for the first 3 cases. Thank you for watching.